Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in the video session of Cantab Publishers. Before going into the topic, make sure that you are having a book of general knowledge developed by Cantab Publishers in your hand. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Okay, mashallah. Dear students, today we will continue about our feelings, about our emotions, and today we will talk about love, angry, scared feelings. So see the first one, what Myra is saying. Myra says, I hug my dad to express my love for him. See, once again, I hug my dad to express my love for him. Okay, this is the feelings of Myra. Now you tell me, how do you express your love to your dad? अभी आपने बताना है कि बाबा को आप सल्यूट करके, बाबा को हक करके, बाबा के गोद में छलांग लगा के आप किस तरह अपने बाबा के साथ प्यार का इजहार करते हैं. Now see what Myra says. When does Myra gets angry? Myra किस वक्त गुस्से होती है? Let's see what she says. I get angry when someone break my toys. Yeah, Myra says, I get angry when someone breaks my toys. This was the feelings of Myra. Now you tell me, what do you say? Do you agree with Myra? Now you tell me, what makes you angry? आपको कौन सी चीज गुस्सा दिलाती है? Okay, now let's see what Myra says. From what Myra gets scared. Myra says, I'm scared of darkness. मुझे अंधेरे से डर लगता है. क्या आप मायरा के साथ इस बात पे एग्री करते हैं? अगर करते हैं, आप अपना बताओ कि आपको किस चीज से डर लगता है. And answer this question. What makes you scared? What makes you scared? And these are the feelings of Myra. Now you have to tell me about your own. My dear student, I have brought an activity for you. And what is the activity? You tell me about this face. Picture number 1. This is picture number 2. This is picture number 3. आपने मुझे बताना है कि इस पिक्चर में ये क्या फीलिंग्स दे रहा है. In the first one, do tell me. Yes, love. Yeah, you see that he is smiling and he is showing his love. Wow, see on picture number 2. Yeah, he's angry and is about to kick. Okay, my dear students. So ये क्या है? He is angry. He is angry. And what about this cute girl? What is she showing us? Look at her picture. वो क्या कर रही है? Yeah, of course, she is scared. So, my dear students, आपने 3 चीजों में बताना है. When you feel love and express, and when you get angry, and when you become scared. ये 3 चीजें आपने हमें बतानी है और इसके बारे में आपने हमारे वेबसाइट पे भेजना है और हमने आपके पोस्ट को वेबसाइट पे शेयर करना है. वेल डन माय डियर स्टूडेंट. अल्लाह हाफिज.